Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I am taking you through the work which is ongoing. So I want to show you how our electrician are doing the piping. The piping is laid above the ceiling, so the ceiling will be below the beam. So I want to take you to see the piping where we are going to pull our fire alarm resistant cable inside the pipe. We are using the PVC Conduit pipe, which is 25 millimeter, because our cable is tough, 1.5 tough cable. So join me as I take you through the piping. So we have there our ladder. We are using two ladder, one for metallic aluminium, and the other one we just fixed ourselves using the timber. So let me take you through the piping for this area. So enjoy guys as you see the piping which is being we are just holding it using the binding instead of using the metallic or PVC saddles. So please subscribe to our channel, support us. Also you can join our community so that you will be among people who will be seeing our videos. Once we upload, you will be among the first people to see it. So see guys, let's have the metallic trunking and the piping guys. So this is the area. So here we will have the detector. This is the room, doctor's office, the consultant office. So here the consultant office too. So we will have one detector here, another detector there. As we proceed with the piping, I'm just taking you through so that you can see. Another detector here, DO office. So see another here. This will be a partition guys. It will be a partition as you see the beam separating the room. So another detector will be here. This is addressable guys. So another detector will be here. Storage area guys. This will be a storage area. So as you follow the pipe, another detector here. This area will be a testing area. The patient will be tested here. So we have to put a detector. This is just to show you the ceiling will be laid. The pipe will be above and the ceiling will be below the pipe. So you will, after finishing this work, you won't be able to see this pipe. It will be hidden up in the ceiling. So see guys, this is our pipe running to the trunk. The trunk, the cable will run now to the trunk. trunk. So here we'll have manual call points or regulars and the sound. See, so they take out here, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have liked it, please hit that subscription button, guys. Subscribe to our channel so that you will be among the people who will be notified once we release a new video like this. So we are in abroad, guys. Also I am taking you through the finished sites. See how the beautiful area is it. So this is a new site ongoing. So guys, support us by subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.